Have you ever pondered why compasses always point north, or how birds know where to migrate each year? The secret is an invisible force, our Earth's magnetic field. It's more than just a cosmic compass, it's a protective shield, keeping us safe from harmful solar radiation. It's a silent guide for animals embarking on long migrations. It's a force that, while unseen, touches every aspect of our lives. The answer lies in Earth's magnetic field, a silent guardian that protects us and guides us. To understand Earth's magnetic field, imagine the Earth as a giant bar magnet. Now let's peel back the layers of our planet. Deep beneath the surface, at the outer core, there's a sea of molten iron, swirling and churning with the rotation of the Earth. This movement generates electric currents, which in turn create magnetic fields. It's a bit like a colossal dynamo, spinning to produce a protective shield. This shield, our magnetic field, is an unseen force that extends from the interior of the Earth out into space. Picture it as an enormous, invisible bubble wrapping around our planet. It's not static though, it's dynamic, constantly fluctuating and undulating like a living, breathing entity. But why does it stretch so far out into space? Well, the field extends to where it meets the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emitted from the sun. The magnetic field acts like a barrier, deflecting these particles and preventing them from stripping away our atmosphere. Just imagine, without this invisible shield, our planet would be exposed to the harsh solar wind, potentially making life as we know it impossible. It's almost as if our planet has its own personal guardian, silently protecting us from the dangers of the cosmos. So, the Earth's magnetic field is not just an invisible force, but a dynamic and essential part of our planet. The Earth's magnetic field plays a crucial role, one that we often take for granted. Imagine a shield, invisible yet immensely powerful. That's exactly what the Earth's magnetic field is. It acts as a protective shield, deflecting harmful high-energy particles that the sun constantly spews out, known as solar wind. Without this invisible barrier, these particles could strip away the Earth's protective ozone layer, exposing life on our planet to harmful ultraviolet radiation. But the role of Earth's magnetic field isn't just defensive, it's also a guiding light, quite literally. For centuries, humans have used the magnetic field for navigation. Mariners would traverse the vast open oceans guided by the reliable magnetic north. Even today, our compasses operate on this principle. Interestingly, it's not just us humans who use this invisible force for orientation. Many animals, like migratory birds and sea turtles, sense the Earth's magnetic field to navigate their long-distance voyages. It's like they have a built-in GPS courtesy of our planet. Finally, let's not forget that the Earth's magnetic field is a dynamic entity. It's not a permanent, unchanging feature. Over geological time, it has flipped its polarity multiple times in events known as geomagnetic reversals. This means that magnetic north and south have swapped places, a mind-boggling concept to grasp. Without our magnetic field, life as we know it would not exist. So, the next time you look up at the sky, remember the invisible shield that keeps us safe, guides us, and continues to astound us with its dynamism. Earth's magnetic field is a marvel of nature that we're still striving to fully understand. It's like an invisible guardian, a shield that encircles our planet, protecting us from harmful solar winds and cosmic radiation. This phenomenal force is birthed deep within the Earth's outer core. Here, a sea of molten iron swirls and surges in a turbulent dance. This movement generates electric currents, which in turn create the magnetic field that extends far into space. Our magnetic field is not just a protective barrier, it's also a guiding light. It interacts with the solar wind, an onslaught of particles streaming from the sun, shaping it into beautiful auroras that paint our polar skies. Moreover, it serves as an innate GPS for many creatures. Birds, sea turtles, and even bees use this magnetic field for navigation, guiding them across vast distances during their migrations. And let's not forget its role in our daily lives. Every time we use a compass, we're tapping into this invisible force, using it to find our way. The magnetic field is indeed a silent partner in our journey through life and space. Next time you use a compass, or admire a bird in flight, take a moment to appreciate the invisible force at work, Earth's magnetic field. It's an unsung hero of our planet, ever present, ever protective, and ever mysterious.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन दबाएं, जिससे समय पर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। आपका एक लाइक हमें प्रोत्साहित करता है जिससे कि हम नई वीडियो बनाएं। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट।